Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. It's going to be a makeup tutorial where I'm creating this look. It is fall inspired, and I just kind of thought of like fall colors and came up with this look. So I really do hope you guys enjoy it. Before you get into the tutorial though, I would like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so the next time I upload a video, you don't miss it. All right guys, let's get into the video. tuning in. As always, I appreciate your viewership as well as your subscription, I guess, to my channel. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, let me know what you thought about this look. Drop some comments down below for me. I will link the products for you, so don't worry about that. You can find those down in the description box. But don't forget to head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.